Hi, my name is Usman, and in today's Python video training, we will be looking at Python string formatting. To make sure a string will display as expected, we can format the result with the format method. String format. The format method allows you to format selected parts of a string. Sometimes there are parts of a text that you do not control. Maybe they come from a database or user input. To control such values, add placeholders, curly brackets in the text, and run the values through the format method. To add a placeholder where you want to display the price, let's say you want to add the price as 49. First create a string object txt, the price is dollars, and then print method txt.formatPrice. Let's run this example with the Python. Okay, first of all, let's create a project file. I'll call it Python string formatting.py, and let's create the string object. The price is curly braces dollars, and say print txt dot format price, and price equals 49. Save the program and let's run it on the console. Python string formatting. You see we have got the string as the price is $49 on the console. So the format function have injected the price variable in the txt string. This is a very simple example of Python string formatting. Okay, let's go further. You can add parameters inside the curly brackets to specify how to convert the value. To format the price to be displayed as a number with 2 decimal points, you can use the price is :2f. Save the file and run the program on the console, and you see we have got the price is $49.00. So we have the price with 2 decimal points. Okay, let's save this. Let me copy this. Have :2f Python string with 2 decimals. Okay, save this. Okay, let's see what's next. We can also pass multiple values to the format function. Let's say we have 3 variables: quantity, item number, and price, and we want to inject them in the string my order. So we can pass all these 3 variables as parameters to the format function. Let's see this, how it works. Python multiple values, quantity equals 100, quantity, item number 45, and we have price. Yes, price, say 90. We have txt, say I want pieces of item number for 2:2.2f dollars, and we call the format method, and we pass in the quantity, item number, and the price. So let's go to the console and run this program. You see we have got the string with injected variables quantity, item number and price. So we have the full string as I want 100 pieces of item number 45 for $90. The next thing you can use with the format function are index numbers. You can use index numbers, number inside the curly braces, to be sure the values are placed in the correct placeholders. Let's see this in action. Let me copy this and paste this here, and Python string formatting with index numbers. Okay, let me comment this out and just use 0, 1 and 2 colon 2f and quantity. I think that's it. Let's run the program on the console. You see we have got the same output as before, but this time we used index numbers 0, 1 and 2 instead of only the curly braces. So we can move these around. We can say 1 at the start and 0 in the second place, and we run the program again. You see the item number and the quantity has been swapped in the string because we changed the index numbers in the string. Okay, let's move to the next topic, index numbers. Also, if you want to refer the same value more than once, use the index number. So we can use the same index number as many times as we want. So let's use index 0, which is quantity, 3 times in our string. You see we have got I want 100 pieces of item number 100 for $100 because we have used the same index number 0 at all 3 places. So you can use the same index number multiple times in the string. You can also use named indexes. You can use named indexes by entering a name inside the curly brackets, but then you must use names when you pass the parameter values txt.format car name is equal to Ford. For example, we create a string. Let's comment this out, and Python string formatting and with named indexes. So we have a string my order equals I have a car name with model. Okay, that's it. And then we say print my order dot format, and let's pass the named indexes. Car name equals Ford and model equals Mustang. Save the file, run the program on the console. You see we have the string I have a Ford with model Mustang. So this video training was about Python string formatting and specifically the formats function that you can use for indexing the values or variables within the string. That's it for this video training. See you next time with a new topic in Python. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.